Hello guys, welcome back again. And guys, it's been a long time that I did not present a slide, so I think it will be good to study some plant diversity part by a different way. So this time our topic is importance of bryophytes. So we are going to study it into two zones: ecological and economical. In this part of the video tutorial, I will teach you about ecological importance. That's most important, comes in very uh, exams. So let's see. First of all, introduction of bryophytes. First, terrestrial plant is bryophyte but not successful cause of absence of vascular bundle, as I discussed about our previous video. They usually find in the forest, on tree trunks, damp areas or rocky areas. That's why we call them sisiophytes. Okay, as you can see in the pic, on tree trunks in the forest, damp areas and damp rocks. So role of bryophytes in different ways in ecological ways: peat formation, seed beds, food and shelter, pollution, soil conservation, water erosion, nutrient cycling, indicator of soil pH and indicator acid rain. So first one is peat formation. So let's see. So it's brown dark color, spongy matter that produced due to compression and carbonization by deposition of mineral and water. So that's why we call it peat, as a type of coal. So sphagnum coal as peat moss is broadly used in energy production, and it also can use in horticulture too. So next one is seed beds. Bryophytes plant does not have roots, so it lays down on the ground and form to mat or carpet-like structure. That can be sites for germination of seeds. Mat-like structure provides shelter opposite to high temperature, high drying effect of sun or wind too. So it's like they provided home for upcoming seed to being germinated, while outside how much difficult condition are. In third slide, food and shelter. Each plant part can be fed by invertebrate, or they can make nest in it too. Just like northern corobri frog are found near sphagnum box. So these species are rare, so it's good for us to having rare species in our ecosystem, because each species have their specific role in it. So now come to the pollution, and we are totally sick of it. There are many type of pollution. So SO2 gases pollutant come from professional and non-professional areas, rural or urban areas. So but some bryophytes have high tolerant capacity, burning air too. They can be germinate high temperature on high amount of acid and pollutant too, such as example is Funaria hygrometrica and Bryum argentum. So next slide is soil conservation. As we discussed about it, they form a mat-like structure that does not let go soil by air or water. They bind soil particles by their stem or rhizoids part too. Matting density is so much high, they can hold large amount of water. Again water and air. We come to the next slide: water erosion and nutrient recycling. Okay, as you can see, these structure trap the nutrient from water droplet or running water. By this they make humid atmosphere or give nutrient back again to biogeochemical cycle. Okay, next one is indicator of soil pH. Okay, now bryophytes grows around a specific pH range. Their presence can be used. So Botanists have large list of bryophytes which can grow acidic or basic medium. Example is Nacrea crispa, indicate high pH, and it also indicator of acid rain, because they are good indicator of acids, so they are also good indicator of acid rains. Example as we discussed in our last slide. So that's the ecological importance of bryophyte. In next part of the video we will discuss about economical importance. So thanks.